Need to know how to clean oven racks? In this video we're tackling a kitchen cleaning challenge that many dread but is essential for a clean and efficient oven. Cleaning oven racks. Let's go through the best ways to get your oven racks sparkling clean without too much hassle. Oven racks can accumulate grease, food particles, and burnt residue over time. Not only can this cause unpleasant smells, but it can also affect your oven's performance and the taste of your food. You'll need some dishwashing soap, baking soda, white vinegar, a few old towels, a large tub or your bathtub, and a non-abrasive scrub brush or sponge. First, ensure your oven is off and completely cool. Remove the racks from the oven. This might be a good time to wipe down the inside of your oven as well. Fill your tub or a large container with hot water, enough to fully submerge the racks. Add a half cup of dishwashing soap and a couple of cups of white vinegar. Place your oven racks in the solution and let them soak for at least 4 hours, or overnight for best results. After soaking, sprinkle baking soda generously over the racks. Then, use a wet sponge to spread the baking soda into a paste over the surfaces of the racks. This will help break down the grease and grime. Take your scrub brush or sponge and scrub the racks thoroughly. For any stubborn areas of grime, consider using a scrubbing pad, but be sure not to use anything too abrasive that could scratch the finish. Rinse the racks well with warm water to remove all the soap, vinegar, and baking soda. Use an old towel to dry them off or leave them out to air dry completely before placing them back in the oven. And there you have it. Your oven racks are now clean and ready for your next baking adventure. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful cleaning tips.